Hey, what's up, Chainlink holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Chainlink. What's the current price? What's the price and so forth of this time in the Chainlink? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So in this video, we discuss the currently latest price of the Chainlink. Now, what's the current price? What's the price and so forth in the Chainlink? And this is the urgent warning news for link holders, so keep watch till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, at this time the currently price of the Chainlink you can see here is negative. From yesterday the price of Chainlink is negative. What's the reason behind that? Why the price is negative? My friends, the short-term investor decide to sell and because they want to invest in a new coin, my friends. They understand that Chainlink have no idea to take a jump in the future. That is why they decide to sell, my friends, and invest in a new coin. But they are wrong, my friends. They are wrong. My prediction about Chainlink is that maybe, my friends, in the last half this week there is a lot of chances to take a jump, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chainlink? Also share in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video. Now the price chart continuously tells us, my friends, that it's not time to sell, my friends. If you decide to sell, so the last 1 month price chart is still negative. That's mean that you are in the loss, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Chainlink? Tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of this kind of news and updates videos.